Hello, hello. Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in another new video. So before we get started, there is a small announcement. We have created a WhatsApp channel for all CPR indicator traders and price action traders. So if you have not yet joined my WhatsApp channel, you can scan this QR code and join it right away. You will get a lot of educational content related to stock market. So let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, we are here with a new update to a narrow CPR scanner. So in our website, cprbycages.com, we are having a narrow CPR scanner. So there you can calculate the narrow CPR stocks using the Bhavcopy. So you can calculate a daily narrow CPR as well as the weekly narrow CPR stocks. So daily narrow CPR stocks means it will be trending for that particular day, and weekly narrow CPR stocks means it is expected to be trending for the entire week. Now we have come with a new update to check the narrow CPR for indices also. So many people were asking me, in the narrow CPR scanner here, we are unable to check for Nifty, Sensex, or other sectoral indices. So we came up with a small update where you can use the Bhavcopy of indices to check all the 100 plus sectors in our NSE. You won't believe there are 100 plus sectors in our NSE. There are around 15 to 20 sectoral indices, but still, if you consider on a whole, there are more than 100 plus sectors. All right, there are 100 plus indices actually. So, how you have to use this? So similar to stocks, daily CPR and weekly CPR, what you have to do is just click on the indices, okay, and read the instructions given here. So what you have to do is you have to go to NSE All Reports and open the indices section under Capital Market and download Daily Snapshot CSV. So let me click on this button. It will be redirecting me to the NSE All Reports. I have to go to the indices under Capital Market. Here I have to go to the indices. And here I have to download the daily snapshot. So today the date is August 25. So I want to know what are the sectors or what indices having narrow CPR for today. So if I want to check for today, then I have to use yesterday's Bhavcopy, which is 24th August. Okay. So on 24th August, which means yesterday, after 3:30, 3:40, this Bhavcopy will be available around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. So once this Bhavcopy is available, you can use it and you can check the narrow CPR indices. So what I have to do is I have to download the daily snapshot CSV. So right now I have downloaded. Now come to our website. So make sure indices and daily CPR is selected over here. Downloaded CSV file. All right. So I have uploaded. Now here you can see there are almost 138 indices, and in this tool I have already given the 24 sectoral indices which is given by the NSE. Now if you go to the Google and if you check for NSE sectoral indices, you will get the list of sectoral indices over here. So all these sectoral indices I have already given inside this tool. So what it will show you is it will by default it will show you only the sectoral indices. In case if you want to see all the indices, you can click on the all indices and you can check all the 138 indices as well. It's up to you. But to keep it simple, I will select sectoral indices. So it will show you only the 24 sectoral indices. Now, if I want to check only narrow CPR, then I will give the settings as 0.10. Okay. So in general, if the CPR width is less than 0.10 percentage, then it is a narrow CPR. Above 0.10 to 0.20, it is medium CPR, and above 0.20, it is a wide CPR. So I have given the width percentage less than 0.10 percentage. Now you can see there are 11 indices getting filtered in our list. So what you can do is you can check which are the indices having narrow CPR for today. This is applicable only for today. So Nifty Auto, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty Chemical is having narrow CPR. Let us check for Nifty 50. So let me open Nifty 50. And yes, today we are having a narrow CPR. So the date for today is 25th August and we are having a narrow CPR. Let us cross check the values of narrow CPR. So let me read out the values. The TC is 24,228 and 225 and 222. So 228, 225 and 222. And here you can cross check the values. The CPR values are 228, 225 and 222. So the values are matching and it is a narrow CPR. And the CPR width is just 0.03 percentage and hence it is called as a narrow CPR. And Nifty Auto is also having a narrow CPR. So let us check over that. Nifty Auto. So Nifty Auto Index. So it's very narrow. The values are 29, 106, 104 and 102. Let us cross check. The values are 106, 104 and 102. So these are the indices having narrow CPR today. So if Nifty Auto is having a narrow CPR today, then this particular index is expected to be trending for today. So the top weighted stock in this particular sector, Maruti Suzuki stock and Mahindra and Mahindra, you can keep in your watch list and you can plan your trades accordingly. Now Nifty is having a narrow CPR. So what you can do is you can open the Nifty chart and you can plan your trade in Nifty accordingly. And even Nifty Chemical is having a narrow CPR. So you can open Nifty Chemical stocks. Nifty Bank is having narrow CPR. So these indices are expected to be trending. And even the top weighted stocks in this particular sector is also expected to be trending because these indices cannot move unless the top weighted stocks are moving. So the two-in-one benefit of looking at a narrow CPR index is the index also will be trending, and you can trade in Nifty 50 or Nifty Bank, and the corresponding top weighted stocks also will be trending. So this is like a two-in-one. So this is the latest update we have given in our website. So I want everybody to explore this indices daily narrow CPR, a free scanner, free tool. Go to our website cprbycages.com and check out this narrow CPR scanner and explore both stocks daily CPR and indices daily CPR. So in next video, I will explain you how to use this indices weekly CPR. Until then, see you all in next video. Thank you. Bye.